Okay, let's do lesson 119, practice C. Practice C is 6x minus 7y is equal to 8, and y is equal to 6/7 x. As you can tell, the first equation is not in standard form, so let's move it to standard form. So we're going to move that 6x over. And that gives us minus 7x is equal to negative 6x plus 8. Now we need to divide by negative 7. And that gives us x is equal, or y is equal to 6/7 x minus 8 over 7. Okay, so what do you see from these two? You've got, it's not supposed to be a y. What do you see from this equation and this equation? As you can see, same slope. Same slope tells you these lines will be parallel, and that means we would have no solution in common, and this would be, the correct answer is B, because the lines are parallel. That is practice C. Let's go on and let's do practice D. We have 3x plus 9y is equal to 18. Y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2. Let's put the first equation in standard form. So we will move over that 3x. We get 9y is equal to negative 3x plus 18. Not quite there yet. We need to divide by 9. We divide everything by 9. And we get y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2. Okay, so if we erase everything but our two equations, we now have two equations that we can now graph and see what our answer is. But what do you see? They are the exact same line. So if we graph this, we're only going to have one line because it's the same equation. So in this case, because it is the same line, our answer would be infinite solutions. Infinite solutions because it's the same line, so the correct answer to practice D is the letter D. Good. Okay, that is lesson 119. I'll real quickly go through the word problem so that we can do that together. It says Elizabeth is 7 years older than her sister Lauren. It says 5 years ago, Elizabeth was twice Lauren's age. How old is Lauren now? So we've got Elizabeth and we've got Lauren. It asks, how old is Lauren now? So we're going to let Lauren be our x. That's what we're looking for. That's what it's asked for. So if Lauren is our x, we know that Elizabeth, it says, is 7 years older. So let's put Elizabeth 7 years older than Lauren. Now let's read it again. Elizabeth is 7 years older than her sister Lauren. Elizabeth, 7 years older, is equal to Lauren, but it says 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, that means both of these, we have to take away 5. And there's only one other thing it says to add to it. 5 years ago, Elizabeth was equal to twice Lauren's age. So we have got to multiply this side by 2. So what we have is Elizabeth 5 years ago is equal to 2 times Lauren 5 years ago. This would be my equation. Solve for x. X is equal to 12. So Lauren is 12 years old. Elizabeth would be 7 years older. Okay? Finish working lesson 119 and stay up on your questions. Let me hear from you